Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check Android version and free storage so the keyboard can load. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient glitches and then boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is blocking input. Now go to Settings, System, Languages, and Input and open on-screen keyboard. You need to verify the active keyboard and available options. This first sweep isolates common causes quickly and gets you ready for targeted fixes without wasting time. Next, you perform deeper app-level maintenance. Force stop the keyboard app, then clear cache and clear data to remove corrupted settings. Note this resets custom dictionaries. After that, update the keyboard via Google Play or reinstall the latest APK to restore missing files. Make sure you trust the source. Also check app permissions, granting storage or microphone where appropriate, and enabling draw over other apps if the keyboard needs overlay rights. Doing these steps repairs app-specific causes that a simple For final steps, try switching temporarily to an alternative keyboard app to determine if the problem is system-wide or app-specific. If switching helps, keep the working keyboard or migrate settings. If not, reset Android settings to restore input defaults and only then consider a factory reset after backing up data. If issues persist, use safe mode and capture logs or screenshots to share with support. One key troubleshooting tip: always back up personal data before any factory reset so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.